Oh man, just woke up. Whoa. Damn, what's this shit on my lip, cuz? Let's look for something to eat, cuz. Peekaboo, bitches. There ain't no food in here. Oh, look, y'all. The wife is hooking it up. Homemade burrito on deck, son. It ain't easy being cheesy. You know why girls don't wear watches? Because there's a clock on the stove. That's sexist. Oh, look at that. Put it on. Spread it like you're spreading them cheeks. Spread them beans on there. Put it on like a dirty thumb. Woo, look at that. Sheesh. Got the cilantro, el salsa picanto. Spread that Mexican bukkake juice. And a little bit of habaneros. A little bit of habaneros to mess up your mascaras. Roll it. Fold it. Man, that perfect roll. Trolls. Check out this Spider-Man cup, y'all. Get to eating, get to eating. Jalapenos. Let's go. Unwrap this thing. That this is the size of my dick. Some saucy. Mmm. Ooh. Mmm. That thing fire. Some of this right here. I'm gonna put right here. Mmm. There we go. Mmm. Almost tastes like the real thing. You can't find too many real. It's not that many real authentic burritos and shit out there anymore. They've been putting lettuce in there. You don't put lettuce in a burrito? More sauce, because it counts to be the sauce. Look at that one. I don't want my hand to be smelling like fish pussy, so use pork. Homemade burritos are the best. I usually like lengua burritos. What's your favorite type of burritos? Comment down below. Pickled carrots. They go crazy. Smack. Shout out to the baby mama for making this. Look at that one. Fully loaded. Packed. I'm pretty sure all the Mexicans proud of her. Mexican joke of the day. What did the Mexicans say when the house fell on him? Give up, yeah, give up. Get off me, Holmes.
That's racist!
Like that. Don't fight that. Ooh, that thing spice. You guys have any good Mexican spots where y'all stay? I live in Oakland. We got best of the best of the best. The best of the best of the foods out here. You name it, we got it. From Chinese, for sure Chinese, and for sure Mexicans. We got them all day. Best foods, depending on the area. If y'all happen to be in Oakland, go to 22nd. 22nd. The burrito truck fire. I eat this every day. Just like the Buldak. Y'all make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe, alright? It's so crazy. I've been trying to make a lot of videos. I just feel like, I don't know, my life is like kind of stagnant right now. Nothing's coming in, nothing's flowing in. It's nothing but bills. Ain't nothing but the bills. Only bills collector calling, no opportunities. It's just sad, you know? So I try to make these videos just to forget about it, you know? Thank you guys for the subscribing and liking all that. I appreciate it. Helps me take my mind off things a little bit. And I also have a good support system. My baby mama, she holds it down. Helps me out a lot. You know, that's all I really have these days. Hey, aluminum foil. But yeah, thank you. Keep watching, please. Recommend something for me to eat. Don't be shy. Comment. I've been wanting to try Indian food for the longest too. Never had Indian food. I heard their butter chicken go crazy, like Patrick Swayze. Recommend me some good Indian spots. Tastes like I just jacked off and woke up at Elena Lee and Sky Bree and Jenna Jameson's house. And then jacked off again. It's doing for again. Okay, that should taste good. That's mine. Couple more bites of these, I'm gonna look like Lil Wayne and the Big Timers back in the 90s with all that silver teeth in their mouth. Yeah, y'all. Shit. Interact with your boy. That's what the comment section is there for. I have one more Mexican joke. Why was the Mexican crying on the sidewalk? Give up. Because he said, Carlos.
That's racist!
Yes. Ooh, that look fire. Shout out all the women that can cook, man. Y'all deserve the world. A trophy wouldn't amount to nothing. Y'all need like a national holiday or something. Not just for cooking, but shit, just being women in general. Without y'all, we ain't shit. We nothing without y'all. Without y'all, without women, we be jacking off to animal porn and getting bumps on our eyes. I still do that now. Even with the wife. Beat my meat to animal porn. Just kidding. Last bite? Hell no. I think I just skied in my pants. Eat it in my pants with no hands. That's one. Now wait, habanero. The last one. Mm-hmm. Fuego. Like it's from Mexico. Cheers. Oh. Next time we eat foil.